got two.
What's going on, guys? Today I'm playing with my Umbrella Armory 308 by G&G. So in this gameplay, this was the first time of me using this, so the R-Hub had to break in. So this DMR is shooting at 1.8 joules with 4s, and I am using 4s in this gameplay. Today I'm playing at my local airsoft field, Feelgood Farms. So today's mission, I have to attack the urban area. Once my team and I has entered the urban area and wiped out everyone, then we win the game. I'm going to try something completely different. I'm going to try flanking all the way around to these rolls over here, and they're not going to have any clue because it's on the opposite side of the field. So let's try it. If you guys enjoy these gameplays, make sure you guys give it a like. It helps out the channel a lot.
I got two. I'm taking fire, yeah. Oh, hit!
I got hit, and I respawned. What I'm doing right now is scanning for enemy movement. Right now, I'm behind the enemy players.
Got him. I got him. He's down.
I'm going to use this opportunity now to push up more.
Oh.
What I noticed about playing with the DMR roll, you're constantly switching mags, and I like that. Ah, just missed him.
Got him.
They called their hit and I had to reload. I pushed back because the enemy players know where I am now. Luckily they have some teammates behind me.
Oh, he's right here. Alright, hold on. I'm gonna get this fool. We got him. Nice job.
After this, nothing really much happened, and my teammates pushed up into the urban area. Now the next game mode is called Attack and Defend. We can either attack their spawn or defend our spawn. If they get to our spawn, we lose, and if we get theirs, we win. So let's jump right into it.
Going to the rolls. Hit. Wow, dude, what? Check that guy in the chest and call it.
I'm not hitting this guy.
Oh, right here. Got one.
I'm not getting. I have no idea.
Got him. Hit!
I got hit, but when I was walking back to my respawn, I noticed a squad coming, so I had to lay low. This day the bucking was still breaking in, so shots were spurring off to the left and right.
I think that's in the hit zone. War crimes, I tell ya. I said no. You don't have to send. Hey, we got a couple guys across the way down to the right.
To be honest, I don't even know who won or not on that game, but I still had fun playing with this DMR. So yeah, like I said, this was my first time playing with this DMR this day. It's all broken in now, the RHOP is perfectly set, and I'm super excited to get more content with this. I noticed with playing with the DMR, you kind of not have to spam the trigger, and I was doing it in this gameplay, but if you watched my previous one last week, I wasn't, because I got used to it. When you're playing with an AR, you get used to rapid trigger pulls, but we'll fix that. Anyways, this is Rep the Airsoft there, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.